Okay, welcome to the My Chance Up overview tutorial. This segment will deal with the information architecture of My Chance Up. And as I mentioned in the previous segment, we're going to talk about the navigation structures. And the navigation structures basically allow you to go to different sections of the website. All of the resource-driven or data-driven aspects of My Chance Up are all login in nature. As I mentioned before, this is an encrypted site. So the server is encrypted. We are on a private server with this. So any information that's entered into, or any login information or any login process, is all very secure. So again, if you're going to access any of the resources, you'll have to log in first or create an account if you do not already have one. This is our You Are Here indicator. Okay, so you're at the home page. You've got a partner network, which basically allows providers, law enforcement, and employers to network and talk about resources that are being offered, and also to discuss the user graphs that are being produced in order to tailor the experience. Just gives them a way to talk behind the scenes about how this is working, and what we can do better, and just form groups and think it out and talk it out. About us, obviously that's going to take you to a page where you're going to learn all about My Chance Up. It tells you what we've basically been talking about to this point in the concepts. Then there's the Know Your Rights section, where the returning citizen, can go and find out, hey, I can actually get completely restored from this process as long as I'm under certain types of conviction. Of course, some types of conviction do not qualify for that sort of thing, but the ones that do, they need to know their rights about that sort of thing, and what they can expect about the process. Of course, the login page takes them to the login. As you can see, there's a login here, and if they have an account, they can just log in, but if they don't, they can register using this button here. And then of course the resources, again, they can use either an interactive map, or they can use the direct access menu. Okay. And each one of these will have its own separate tutorial, but I just wanted to go over the information architecture to show you how to navigate throughout the website. Again, here's the Contact Us page. From the very top of any page, you can just reach down here, click that, and it'll take you right to the contact section. We have our social icon here, which basically takes you to the different social sites, where we will have social presences in the different social arenas. They will be probably broadcast social, not necessarily interactive social. So we're kind of trying to stick away from, at this point in time, the interactive social. That's basically what this contact form is. This is how we want to interact with the returning citizens. We don't necessarily want to get involved with the interaction between returning citizens. So that's why we're just kind of keeping that in one direction, that one-way channel. Interactivity will be done through, if we want to issue newsletters, or we want to write emails and that sort of thing, and also send emails in regard to process, next steps, things like that. It's certainly definitely interactive enough for the returning citizen. So that concludes the information architecture segment of the tutorials. In our next segment, we're going to go over the login process and the registration process. Okay, so look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.